Is it me? Or I'm not feeling Fiverr. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Fleas, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking out with your boy, man. It means a lot. In today's video, I like to talk about Fiverr. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is a freelancing app slash website where you can hire people to do certain things, such as like edit your YouTube videos, make you a banner, make you an intro. The list goes on. So, I had my experience with it. I only did it like 2 times, and let's just say the 2 times. Didn't go as planned, you know what I'm saying? So what happened was I tried to send out a video, a little 8-minute video clip just to see how, to get the feel of it. I sent an 8-minute video out to one editor, and I guess I didn't read the description fully. So when you go on Fiverr, please read the description or watch their video, so before you hit them up and waste your time like I did, you would get a brief understanding on what you're getting yourself into, right? So long story short, I had hit up this editor and I explained to him, I said, yo, you know what? Listen, I got this video, right? It's 8 minutes long. It's just me sitting down like I'm doing right now. It's me sitting down, talking to the camera, and, expressing myself or whatever it is, right? So he said, all right, cool. Did you watch my video? I'm like, what do you mean? Did I watch a video? I'm not tracking. What you mean? He said, oh, in the video I explained to people before, because I just booked the service. My fault. I skipped ahead. I just booked the service. I didn't even read anything. I looked at the video. I see that he could do a little bit of editing. I said, all right, cool. This is good enough for me. Let me just book it. So I just booked it. It was like $15, $20. I just booked it. So after I booked it, then that's when he messaged me. It's like, oh, did you watch my video? So I'm like, I watched the video, but I didn't watch it fully through. He said, oh, in the video, I advised everybody to contact me first before booking, so we could, further understand like what it is that you're looking for. So I'm like, oh, all right, that's cool, no problem. But I'm only looking for like a quick little edit, chop out little, mishaps here and there, or like when I take like a little deep breath or a mess up or anything like that. I'm looking for that to be edited and fixed and, be returned back to me. I'm not crazy. I don't need no transitions. I don't need no music. I don't need no animation, none of that. I just need a quick little edit. I could do everything else myself. I could edit myself too also, but I just wanted to try out, Fiverr, whatever the case may be. So he then says, okay, cool. Well, what are you looking for? Again, I explained it to him. He said, all right, well, the turnaround time would be 3 days, and he gonna charge me $65. So I'm like, $65? But in the beginning, on your ad, it says you charge $15. Why is it $65? He was like, oh, because, mind you, I already had sent him the video, and I booked it already. He said, oh, because, I gotta edit it and whatever, give me some, I don't know, BS story. But to me it was BS because it's like the video I sent to him was nothing crazy for you to be charging me $65. It's literally, it was so easy. It was like a quick money for you. Like, that's how I feel. So he's like, at $65, it's gonna take like 2 days to send it or whatever. So in my head, I'm like, $65, 2 days. So why does your ad say $15? So at this point, I'm pissed the fuck. Excuse me. At this point, I'm pissed off. So I'm like, you know what? Never mind, sir. You can keep the $15. I'm mad. Like, now I'm mad. Mind you, I ain't got $15 to waste. I'm like, you can keep the $15, whatever the case may be. I mean, it's my fault. I apologize. I ain't really looked through your video or, read the fine print or whatever that is going to charge me extra more money. Like, you should just put $65 from up front. That's how I feel about it. But I don't know. This is my first time using Fiverr, so I'm like, all right, whatever. He charged $65. His price is his price. I can't really be mad at him for that. You know what I'm saying? Only thing I was mad at is because he charged, well, in the beginning it said $15 to $20, and out of nowhere you charged me $65 for like a 7-minute video that's a quick edit. Hey, that's just me, right? So that was my first experience. Moving on. Second experience, I contacted a female. Same thing. They put the price was $15, whatever the case may be. Now I learned from the beginning. I learned from the first mistake. I did not pay up front. What I did was I contacted the seller. Well, I contacted the service provider, and I said, hey, I'm looking for you to edit a video for me. This is a different video too. I'm looking for you to edit a video for me. I want this video to be, it's quick. It's 6 minutes, 7 minutes tops. I don't need no transitions. I don't need no music. I don't need any of that. I just need a quick little chop up. You know what I mean? If I mess up or it's like a huge pause in the middle, chop that up, you know, and then send it back to me. So I'm thinking we cool. So the editor was like, all right, cool, no problem. What's your budget? I said, I'm willing to pay you what you got on your ad. Your ad says $15. I'm willing to pay you $15. Is that enough? She said, okay, no worries. We'll work on that. I'm like, all right, cool, no problem. She said, so send me the video. I sent her the video. I'm thinking we on the same page. So she writes back, oh, how do you want your video? So I'm like, how do I want my video? I'm not really sure like what she's saying. She said, how do you want your video? I said, I want my video in 1080p. I don't know, not 4K, but 1080p. She says, okay, no problem. I'm gonna work on it right now. I'm like, ooh, okay, cool. That's prompt, I like that. So she, I guess, works on the video. An hour and a half later, she sent me the same video I sent her back to me. What the hell going on here? She sends me the same video, literally the same video. She didn't edit anything. She sent me the same video back. So I respond to her. I reply, I'm like, did you edit this? She says, what do you mean? I said, what do you mean? But I mean, did you edit it? Like, did you chop it up? Did you do anything to the video? She said, oh, I'm sorry. What exactly are you looking for? I said, what? Literally, I explained all this to you in the beginning. I want you to edit the video, chop it up, take out anything that I mess up, the huge pauses in the middle, anything you see me thinking or anything like that, I want you to chop that up and edit that for me. Can you say you could do that? She said, oh, okay. Well, it's gonna cost you $75 and the turnaround time is 2 days. I said, what? I said, no. I said, you know what? No problems. My apologies. I'm sorry for bothering you. I didn't think that this was gonna be all that. You charged me $15 in the beginning when it says $15. Now all of a sudden it went up to $75 and the turnaround time to be 2 days. Mind you, guys, listen, these videos that I'm sending is not like a music video. It's not like a movie. It's literally like a video like this, like me sitting down just talking to the camera. It's nothing big. Like, so I'm not understanding why. Like, again, listen, don't get me wrong. Your price is your price. I'm not knocking you. Your price is your price. But I'm just not understanding why it's so expensive when you have in the beginning of your ad it says $15. If it's not $15, why not just put what the price is? If it's $65, put $65. That way we don't have to waste each other time. I ain't gotta hit you up. We ain't gotta have a huge dialogue, and then you turn around and tell me, all right, well that's gonna be $1,000. I would never hit you up in the beginning. You know what I'm saying? Am I wrong? Let me know if I'm wrong. In the comments below, let me know if I'm wrong. Am I bugging? Because I don't think I'm bugging. But hey, listen now, look. At the end of the day, I respect all entrepreneurs. I'm not sitting here trying to bash them for their price. I'm just not understanding the concept of putting a price on an ad and then turn around and telling me it's a different price. You know what I'm saying? That's like, it's like clickbait at the end of the day. It's like you clickbait me. I click it thinking I'm gonna pay this, and then turn around and tell me I gotta pay this. And then I'm wasting my time going through y'all, and then, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I might as well just edit my own video. But listen, Fiverr is definitely still a good place to go to get work done. I'm not saying it, I'm not knocking it. I only did it twice. I had a bad experience with it, but I'm not saying that everybody's like that. So I'm not sure. I'm just telling you my experience, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I didn't have a good experience, so I will probably try again later. But for right now, I'm just gonna edit my own videos and call it a day. And yeah, but I just wanted to express how I felt about Fiverr and let y'all know, you know, what I ran into. Hopefully, before y'all go in there and y'all waste y'all money, or y'all sit there thinking y'all about to get an edited video, y'all sit there, please DM them first. Let them know exactly what you want. Ask them a set price. Ask them, is this gonna be my set price, or I'm gonna pay something later? Get all that situated before anything else, and maybe, you know, hopefully everything go as planned, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to get that off my chest because it was just crazy to me. Let me know in the comments below, did you use Fiverr? How was your experience? And things of that nature. If you got any recommendations, or if any of y'all watching this right now that know how to edit videos and y'all want to be an editor, hit me up, man. We could work or whatever the case may be, because I work and I don't have all the time in the world to sit here and edit videos all day. I wish I could, but sometimes I'm gonna have to use a third party to edit the videos for me, so we can just get these videos out quicker than later. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel. That's where it started at. To grow the channel, you gotta help each other. If you on YouTube and you wanna grow, hey, listen, subscribe. I'll subscribe back. Ain't nothing crazy. But I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Fleezes, man. And like always, peace, love, and chicken grease, and I'm going, man. Peace out.